everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am good too. My name is Ahadra if you don't know me, and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty reviews, etc. etc. If this is something interests you, you must subscribe to my channel. And now, without blabbering any further, let's get started. So, in today's video, I'm going to review a brand that is Pana Labs. I have two products. I got sent these two products. One is the Gold Collagen Hydrogel Mask. I'm going to pop a picture over here of the mask because I have already used the mask. I don't have it right now. And the other one is the Glycolic Acid, 7% Glycolic Acid Toner. Now, this particular brand is not an Indian brand. It's a UK based brand, I suppose. Yes, the distribution of Pana Labs is from UK, and this is made in US, by the way, for your information. And this is an 120 ml ka tube. And if you see the bottle, it comes in a very dark packaging like this, and this is plastic, by the way. This is not glass, and you have a very unique dropper like this, like so you can drop the product and then you can close it off. And it has 7% of glycolic acid. So if you don't know what glycolic acid is, it's a very renowned chemical exfoliation. You must be hearing about chemical exfoliation. People are going gaga over chemical exfoliation. So glycolic acid is the smallest source, or I would say it's a source which is derived from the sugar cane. Okay, so it is basically fruit based acid, and what it does is it just exfoliates your skin gently and makes your dead skin free. Yes, it just chuck out all the dead skins, and it also works on your blackheads, it works on your whiteheads. So yes, so it works on so many things, you see. And also, if I talk about glycolic acid, it is very good if you are a beginner, you want to try out. So try out with a glycolic acid, because glycolic acid doesn't penetrate deep inside your skin, it works on the surface level. So मोटा मोटा ये सारी बातें हैं इस ब्रांड की, इस ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड में. लाइक नॉट इस ब्रांड की ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड, even you don't know about glycolic acid. So if you want to know more about glycolic acid, please click this video over here and you will get to know so many things about glycolic acid. Now, this particular glycolic acid toner, it has 7% of glycolic acid. So now if you are a beginner, I won't recommend you 7% of glycolic acid. 7% can be used by someone who has been using glycolic acid like me, because 7% I think it's a little bit potent, and this is very potent, but it is very safe to use. This is 100% vegan and it is cruelty free as well. It does not have any toxic elements, does not have any chemicals, so like does not have any alcohol, and it has so many good ingredients that I am going to talk about in a minute. But before that, I want to talk about my experience with this particular product. So when I applied it now, it felt a little bit tingly on my skin, and even same my husband also felt, because I applied this on his face as well. So he applied it, and we both felt the same. And my skin type is a little bit sensitive, but my husband's skin type is not at all sensitive. You know how man's skin are, so his skin is very oily and he has blackheads over here, so that's how his skin is. But he also felt that tingly sensation like me, and I was feeling so tingly over here, and I thought it might burn my skin, but then it did not burn my skin. It is a little, because it is 7%, that is why it was feeling a little bit tingly on my face. Otherwise, it just cleared out all my I do have a little bit of blackhead going on and a dead skin over here. I have to use this glycolic acid just to get rid of the dead skin over here, because I have a lot of dead skin over here. And one more thing I want to say, if you are using glycolic acid, if you are a beginner and you started with this one, please make sure you are using it only once a week, and later gradually you can increase it twice a week. But I would suggest you to use it only once a week, because it is very potent. It has 7% of glycolic acid. And also try to use it in the night, because these type of acids, I will say, they are they make our skin very photosensitive. So I would request you to use glycolic acid only during the night, and it will exfoliate your skin in a very proper manner. You won't even imagine how good glycolic acid exfoliation is. It has anti-aging properties. it just makes your skin free from any imperfections or impurities, I would say. And if you're someone who is having a lot of tanning and who gets whiteheads, blackheads easily, chemical exfoliation is the way for you, because physical exfoliation is not that effective, and it creates micro tears. This is not going to create micro tears. So I recommend this to someone who is already using glycolic acid. But if you still want to try it, just go ahead and try it, and do not take a lot of quantity. Please take I would say 4 drops enough for you, not more than that. Try to use a little less when you are starting out, and you will be getting a lot of benefits out of this one. Also, one more thing, that you can get these brand, like these UK US based brand from the website called style.a. You can get all these from there. I mean, I got it from their website only, so you can search for it on their website. Although I'm going to leave a link, you can click on that link and go ahead and buy it for yourself. And one more thing I noticed, that if you're having a lot of acne, you can use it, but please be mindful when you are using it, because again, too much of quantity, I don't want too much of quantity ruin your skin. So yes, that's what I wanted to tell you. Now moving towards the second product, that is the Gold Collagen Hydrogel Mask. And I must tell you that this mask is one of my favorite, and I literally felt my skin felt so tight when I applied it, and when I removed, my skin felt so hydrated. It felt so tight. I felt as if I got a very expensive luxurious collagen treatment. Yes, it retails for 750 rupees. But you can definitely look for discounts. You will get discounts as well, so you should wait for the discount and then buy it. So I have never used a collagen mask, and so I don't know how it feels. So when I applied it now, and when I removed that, that is fuss free, when I removed that mask, it felt so good. My skin felt so hydrated, and my skin felt instantly tight. So they have mentioned this thing on their packaging, that if you use it, one for one use, so up to this percent your skin will be hydrated. If you use it for 1 week, up to this percent of your skin will be hydrated. So I really like the idea, because my skin did feel hydrated. So if you're someone who is having dry skin, you might try this out, because I literally liked it. It did not have any side effect. It did not dry out my skin. Obviously it is meant to give hydration to you, so it gave so much of hydration and relaxation to my face. So yeah, that is about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give a like and subscribe, because it takes a lot to make these type of videos. So if you like it, and subscribe my channel, it will feel a lot to me. It will mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys so much. Bye.